Choco Kids! Once again, I'm your teacher, Madam Rose. We will study the Phonics sounds of the alphabet. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. A, apple, apple, B, balloon, balloon, C, carrot, carrot, D, duck, duck, E, elephant, elephant, F, fish, fish, G, goat, goat, H, head, head, I, igloo, igloo, J, jacket, jacket, K, kangaroo, kangaroo, L, lollipop, lollipop, M, mother, mother, N, nut, nut, O, orange, orange, P, purple, purple, Q, wind, wind, R, rabbit, rabbit, S, snake, snake, T, table, table, U, ukulele, ukulele, V, vase, vase, W, watch, watch, X, X-ray, X-ray, Y, yo-yo, yo-yo, Z, zebra, zebra,